Hey. So this is the color my hair turned out. It's a lot darker underneath. But it is, like, the camera and the lighting makes it look lighter than it actually is, but it's really dark compared to my old color. And this morning I missed my old color. I was like, no, what did I do? And then at school I was getting all these compliments on it, and then I was like, it's not that bad. It just takes a while to get used to it. But I still want to keep myself a redhead, and that I did. But yeah. So, bye.